My name is Diane Jones, and I'm originally from Cincinnati, Ohio. Right now I live in San Antonio, Florida. I am retired. I was in banking for 21 years. I was helping cook at a church with a friend, and there was water on the floor, and I slipped and fell and landed on my arm, and it just did all kinds of bad things to my shoulder. And very painful, and that's what led me to Dr. Mighell. My son-in-law had gone to Dr. Mighell, and he was very impressed with him. He took good care of him, and since I needed a doctor, that's where I decided to go, is Florida Orthopaedic Institute. What I liked about the whole experience was their expertise, how they made you feel comfortable. They were friendly, they were knowledgeable, and you just felt comfortable at all times with the whole group, especially Dr. Mighell. Taking that surgery was completely different from anything I've ever had. I had had a repair on this shoulder, and it was pretty horrendous, terribly painful, lived on Percocet, it was awful. So I was kind of expecting the same thing. There was not, but it went very well, and I didn't start therapy for 6 weeks, but once I did, it just flowed, and post-surgery has gone very well. My strength is not 100% yet, but I'm working on it. But I have great motion to the side, the back, reaching straight up. I can go way up, and I can do most anything I want to. There's very little that I cannot do. In fact, I haven't really come across anything that I'm not physically able to do. So it's been a good experience. Having the surgery afterwards, I've been able to slip right into everything that I did before, very comfortably, no pain, just keep on trucking.